Good afternoon. This afternoon we are going to shed some light on an economic subject given to us no other than the market mogul Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett has actually given 4 rules for investing. If you follow these 4 rules, your investment is never going to go haywire. Means your investment is never going to go haywire, means never you're going to lose a penny. Excuse me. Excuse me. His pet mantra is number 1, never lose a penny of investors, and number 2, never forget the rule number 1. So he always says, never lose a penny of investor. It's your money. You have made this money hard way. It's your life saving. Life is only once. You don't have another chance to life that you can say that all right. Every single thing that I saved is gone. No problem. Next life I will be very much sure and vigilant about every single thing. Life is one shot. You don't get another shot at all. And he understands better than anyone else that whoever is actually investing in his company, he must not lose the penny. And that is why he is worth about 95 to 100 billion dollars, one of the richest person in the world. According to his 4 rules of investing, he has emphasized mainly upon shares, because he says that if you stock in the stock market vigilantly, knowledgeably, wittingly, knowing something about the movement of the market, know something about the fluctuation of the market, then market is only the place you can become super rich. You cannot become super rich by investing your money in the bank, earning 5-6% per annum, or you cannot actually have that kind of profits having your own business. But if you know how to invest, KNOW, know is the very, very emphatic word over here. If you know how to invest in the market, then market is going to make you super rich. So he has given us 4 rules. Rule number 1 is, your stock must be managed by vigilant market leader. You invest in any company at all, any company. But you must have people who actually manage your portfolio, must be very vigilant leader. They must be having all 5 kinds of knowledge about market. Declarative knowledge, procedural knowledge, heuristic knowledge, meta knowledge, and empirical knowledge. If they are knowledgeable, if they possess all 5 kinds of knowledge, they are never going to let you down. They are never going to lose your money. So first rule of Warren Buffett is that your stock must be managed by a vigilant, a smart, a market leader, not roly-poly, not someone who is novice and neophyte. These kind of people are not going to actually make you rich, but they are definitely going to make you poor. Point number 2, or rule number 2 is your stock must have long-term prospects, not short-term. That is another thing, that we are all impatient type of people. We invest 1 lakh rupees in the market. Every day we look at the stock, what is going on. Oh my God, I lost 5,000. God, thank you very much. I earned 10,000 today. Again I lost 5,000. Again I earned. No. That is not the right attitude to invest in the market. Once you invest in the market, sit on your investment. Just sit on your investment for a long term. So whatever you have invested, look, those people who invested in IBM in 1930s, they invest $1 in one stock of IBM. In 1985, 1990, this $1 turned into $1 million. Think about it. Lots of people actually did not care about their $1 share. They say, yeah, come on now, it's a $1 share, forget it. Who cares? Same thing happened with me. I invested, only 200 rupees in Vellavar Mercantile Bank. And every time I was thinking about it and telling them, well, 200 rupees, who cares about 200 rupees? Who cares about 200 rupees? But now, after 20 years, this money grew probably 200 times. So those people who invested $1, just one lousy dollar in IBM, these people got $1 million after 50 years. So that is what Warren Buffett is trying to tell us, trying to convince us, trying to coax and cajole us that if you invest today, don't actually look at your stock 1 week from now and don't expect that you are now sitting on the seventh cloud. No, you may be as a Nadir, but Nadir will take you to Nova. The stock market is such that it doesn't actually zoom precipitously, nor it nosedives precipitously. But it takes a long time to move from one point to the next. Point number 3 is your stock must be stable and you must be able to understand the fluctuation of your stock. Whatever the share or stock you invest in, you must be able to understand this thing. Stock must be stable. More or less, it must be stable. Your agent who is absolutely knowledgeable will tell you what is the condition of the stock. Don't invest in the stock which was, say for example, 100 rupees last week and today 10 rupees today, and before then one month earlier it was 200 rupees, and again before that it was only 5 rupees. Now these kind of stocks are not worth trusting. You cannot depend upon this kind of stock. They are all volatile. They are known as volatile stock. So you don't actually invest in any kind of volatile stock, but steady movement, a couple of percentage plus or couple of percentage minus. These kind of stocks are definitely going to carry you to the apogee from perigee. Point number 4 is your stock must be undervalued. He has said buy low, sell high. Buy the stocks which are low, which are undervalued. Don't buy the stock which is 5,000 rupees a share. It is not going to be 10,000, but it is definitely going to, according to Boyle's curve. Dr. Boyles has said that everything when reaches to the saturation point, means 5,000 or 10,000, after that it has nowhere to go but come down. So this kind of stock will definitely come down, but buy the stock which is around 500 to 1,000 rupees, and it will go to 5,000. You are going to make 500% profit in the undervalued stock. So remember, buy low, sell high. When the stocks are low in price, in their value, buy them, and when their value actually rises considerably, don't wait too long. When your 1,000 rupees of the stock reaches to about 3,000 or 4,000, bail out, sell it off. Don't you think that it is going to now go to 100,000 or 200,000? No, it is not going to. But chances are that 300 to, it may go 400, or max it can go to 500. After that it is going to dip back to around 500. And you're going to lose your search. So don't do that. Play smart game. Play the best trump cards that you have in your hand. Don't play in the market like a foolish guy, like a novice and a neophyte who doesn't know anything about stocks or bond, and he thinks that he's going to make money. No. Such idiotic people, market idiots, market illiterate, share illiterate, business illiterate people don't actually make any money at all. But they actually sell off their family silvers. They sell off their family silvers. So that's all it is. Thank you very much for listening. God bless everyone on this planet. Thank you. See you again in the future. Bye.